guys, it's Mrs. Paget. I wanted to give you an update on what I want you guys to do at home this week. Last week I had you review the muscular system and skeletal system so that this week we can have a test. So the purpose of the test is just to see how well you're remembering the information that you're reading and we're talking about in class. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know this week before you take the test. You may use your book and notebook, but I really hope that you know the information and really won't need it, okay? So I posted a couple of videos that I want you to watch from YouTube. One of them is on the cell anatomy, so just think about the different parts of the cell and what they do. Like the cell membrane is the outer part that allows things to go in and out. The nucleus is in the middle and it's the control center. And then there's other little organelles within the cell that each have a different job. So as you watch the video, think about the jobs of those organelles. Okay. Next we talked about the skeletal system and our bones, and I have a fun little song I found on YouTube that y'all can listen to that teach you the different bones, and then a video that teaches you more about it, okay, to help you review. So the most important things that you need to know are the 5 functions of the bone, which are movement, support, protection, like our ribs protect our vital organs like heart and lungs. So movement, support, protection. Our bones also produce our blood, so that's the 4th function, blood production. And then the 5th one is storage, okay? And then if you think about how our bones are constructed, we have the outer periosteum, which is a very thin layer, the compact bone, which is hard and strong, and then the spongy bone, which is made of tunnels and pores that helps you so that if you fall down, you don't automatically break all your bones, right? Okay, and then inside of that, you have your red bone marrow and your yellow bone marrow. The red bone marrow is where your blood is produced, and the yellow bone marrow stores things like fats and protein. So as you are studying, and remember, think about the longest bone in your body, which was the femur, and the smallest bone was in our ear. So when you think about our joints where our bones are connected, I want you to remember that ligaments connect bones to bone. So without ligaments, bones would be lazy, okay? So think ligaments, lazy. They connect bone to bone. Without ligaments, bones would be lazy. Tendons connect our muscles to the bones. Okay, so tendons connect those tiny muscles to the bones. That's how I want you to remember the difference between ligaments and tendons. Ligaments connect bone to bone, tendons connect muscle to bone, okay? If you remember, we have 3 types of muscle: cardiac, which is our heart muscle. We have skeletal muscle that is connected to our bones. And then we also have smooth muscle, okay? So the 3 types of muscle: cardiac, skeletal, smooth. If 40% of our body weight is made up of muscles, don't you think it's very important to take care of our bodies? Okay, so think about your heart. If it's a muscle, we need to really take care of our heart, okay? And a great way to do that is by exercising 3 times a week or more. And when I say exercise, I mean exercising to get your heart rate up, okay? So when you feel like your heart is racing, that's usually a good thing when you're exercising, okay? Because you're strengthening your heart by working it out like a muscle, like you would your arms or your legs, okay? So after you watch the 3 videos that I posted, I want you to print out the study guide that I posted online and review those questions. And if you know all the answers to those questions, you will do great on the test. And if you have any questions, just let me know. I will see y'all next week. Bye.